Hi everyone! In this new video, we're going to see these new structures, there is and there are. We're going to see when can we can use them and how we're going to use them, okay? So open your eyes and pay attention. We use there is to describe a thing or something we can find in this house. Only one thing because it is used for singular, okay? For singular structures. For instance, there is a lamp on the table. The lamp is on the table. If we use the negative form, we can say there isn't a radio next to the lamp. Is there a radio next to the lamp? No, there isn't. On the other hand, if we want to talk about plural structures, if we want to describe something we can find in this house, we use there are. Look at this example. There are some books on the shelf. There is a book? No, there are some books. More than one. So this is a plural sentence, and then we use there are. On the other way around, if we want to use the negative form, we use aren't. There aren't any flowers in the house. If we look at the picture, we can find more examples. For instance, there are some toys in the attic. Here are the toys. There is a TV next to the chair in the living room. Now let's play. Read the question, look at the picture, and then answer. Ready? Steady, go! Is there a computer in the study? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. What do you think? Here is the study, and here's the computer. So the answer is yes, there is. Well done. Next question. Are there any toys in the attic? Let's find the attic. Here's the attic. Here are the toys. So yes, there are, or no, there aren't. What do you think? Yes, there are. Well done. Let's continue with the next one. Is there a chair between the TV and the lamp in the living room? What do you think? This is the living room. This is the TV, and this is the lamp. And here we have the chair. So, is there a chair between the TV and the lamp? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. What do you think? Yes, there is. Very good. Is there a microwave in the bathroom? Let's see what's in the bathroom. Here is not a microwave. Where is the microwave? In the kitchen. So, is there a microwave in the bathroom? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. What do you think? No, there isn't. Very good, because the microwave is in the kitchen. And the last question is, are there any toys in the bedroom? This is the bedroom. Can you see any toys? No. Where are the toys? The toys are here in the attic. So, are there any toys in the bedroom? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. What do you think? No, there aren't. Very good, because the toys are in the attic. Well done. Well done, children. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Have fun.